Hi guys, Dominic IRPINO here. Thank you for joining us. You know, we're really excited about 2018 in many different ways. We're happy to be your local real estate broker. But you know what our team decided last year? We said in 2018, we want to give back even more. How do we do so? We're going to show you today. We're going to feature a new business every month in Buena Park and Uptown. Now myself, I like to start my day off with a cup of coffee. And ever since this business opened up their doors, I do it over there. So let's go over there, take a look, and get a little taste of Venezuela at the same time. Ladies and gentlemen, Klein's Bakery. Hi guys, thanks for joining us. Dominic IRPINO here. I'm here with Jessica Klein, the owner of Klein's Bakery.
Thank you for coming. We're happy to have you here as well.
Thank you. So Jessica, really excited to learn more about your business. So can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. I moved to Chicago from Venezuela and my family. I grew up with my grandma and she used to have a bakery at home, and I used to see her cooking everything, and she used to teach me when I was a little girl. It's a small family business, and only the people who work here is just my sister, best friends, my husband, and all family.
Good coffee. What is your favorite item on the menu to make?
My favorite item is the cachito, which is a Venezuelan bread. We start with the dough from scratch, and everything is made here every single morning. But also we love making the custom cake. The beginning and start to planning how the cake is gonna look, and that's what my grandma teach me, the cake. So that's the best part.
So a little bit of grandma's in every cake.
Yeah, exactly.
And what made you choose this neighborhood to open your business?
I go to the different places here in the neighborhood, and I found that the people is really nice. It's a really great neighborhood, young families, and we decided to stay.
So Jessica, one of my favorite things to do is actually to come to your bakery. So thank you for being here. I'm curious, what are some of your favorite things to do in Buena Park and Uptown?
Well, first I will pick summertime.
Okay.
And I will go to the lake. Either riding my bike or walking. It's a great experience. Go from here to the lake is great. Like connecting with my spirit. Yeah, I love going.
That's great. Thank you for sharing. All right, another interesting question for you. If you had one superpower, what would that be?
Teleportation.
Teleportation?
Yeah, teleportation.
Okay.
I will never be late to any place. I just can't do it.
I could use that. I could use that. I'll take one. So thank you so much, Jessica. Lastly, to help us out, can you tell us your hours?
Okay, well, we're open 7 days a week. Early in the morning at 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. on weekdays. And on weekends, we open at 7:30 instead, and we close at 7:30 at night.
Awesome. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. Please feel free to check out IRPINO Real Estate on Facebook and Instagram, and stay tuned for future videos that we'll be featuring in 2018 every single month. Thanks again, make it a great day, and we'll see you soon.